I'm Jenna, owner of Yogi Nest, and today we're doing the last breathing exercise in our mini breathing exercise series, and it is the 10 count breathing exercise. Also, please comment and let us know what other exercises you would like to see, whether they're meditation, breathing exercises, yoga, techniques to deal with trauma, PTSD, stress, anxiety, you name it, I will make a video for you. So today we're doing 10 count. That is inhaling and exhaling, count to one inhale, 2 exhale, 3 inhale, 4 exhale. There is another way to do this exercise, and that is your inhale and exhale is 1, inhale and exhale is 2. But what I've learned over the last 5 years of working with clients is that it's easier to do it the other way. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Of course, you can do it however you would like to do it, whatever is best for you. These breathing exercises make me feel less stress, anxious. They decrease reactivity and daily frustrations. They're all around really incredible. They take you out of the fight or flight state and put you into your parasympathetic nervous system, which lowers your heart rate, causes you to feel less stressed, less anxious. So they're amazing. You can do them anywhere. They can be as simple as you want or as complicated as you want. You can do them for 1 minute or 30, whatever makes sense for you. Remember, be comfortable wherever you're sitting and pick a breathing exercise you like so you'll stick with it. Let's get started. So, today I'm going to sit here at the wall. Lily hopefully is going to behave herself. Look at that. We'll see how long that lasts. So, get settled in wherever you're sitting. Get nice and comfortable. I'm just going to start breathing normally in and out of my nose. And then I'm going to do my personal inventory, which is how I start all of my meditations, yoga sessions, and breathing exercises. So I'm going to close my eyes. My face is really relaxed. My jaw, my neck, my shoulders are down away from my ears. And I'm breathing normally in and out of my nose. I'm going to scan my body from the top of my head all the way down to my toes. And I'm checking to see how my physical body feels today. Tight, sore, uncomfortable, or is it very loose, flexible, relaxed? I'm going to do the same thing with my thoughts, my mental state. Do I feel really anxious today, stressed, really calm, happy? Remember, this personal inventory is just information. It's not meant to be judged. You're not meant to obsess over it. It's probably the first time during your day that you have taken a moment to slow down, to quiet down, and check in with yourself and see how you're feeling. If you do this more regularly, you'll notice lots of stuff about your body. When you need to slow down, when you need a self-care day, if you might be feeling sick and you need a rest day, these little check-ins can help you with that. Then I'm going to do my big deep inhale through my nose, from my belly all the way up to the space between my collarbones. I'm going to open my mouth and let it go. So let's do that now. Inhale. Open your mouth and let it go. And then I'm going to start my 10 count breathing exercise. Enjoy. So remember, we're counting the inhales and exhales 1 through 10, 1 through 10, 1 through 10. If at any point you find yourself at 15 or 20, no problem. Just start over at 1. If you find that you've completely drifted off, again, no problem. Just start over at 1. Let's get started. Begin your inhale now. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. And then start over at 1. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. And return to normal breathing. Okay, good job. I'm going to start coming out of this now. I'm trying to keep it short for the video, but if you're doing this at home, in your car, at work, wherever, allow yourself to do this for, it's a longer meditation, so 1 to 3 minutes. If you only have a couple of seconds, 1 round, 2 rounds of this will help immensely. To come out of this, we're gonna do our deep inhale and our exhale. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and let it go. Lower the head. Open your eyes. And you're all done. I hope you really enjoy these videos. I am enjoying them more and more as I'm making them. I'm getting a lot of really good feedback. Please comment, let me know what you would like to learn in the future. Enjoy these breathing exercises. They are such a great help for stress and anxiety, working through trauma, all of the things. It seems so simple. It's just breathing. We do it all day, every day, but this is different. You're checking in with yourself. Your breath is longer. It's just good for your body. I hope that you really enjoyed us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Instagram at The Yogi Nest, and I'll see you soon.